Hi, I'm Nick Champion and I'm one of the founders and directors of AG. AG are a prominent UiPath partner and an SAP Gold partner. We're experts in automation within the SAP space and work across the whole of SAP, but with particular strengths in the areas of enterprise asset management. RPA is a technology that enables the automation of manual, repetitive tasks, the kind of things that are very common for many people in their normal day-to-day jobs. RPA can be used across any function, almost any application, including SAP, and absolutely across any industry. The key to an automation use case being a potential success is whether there is repetition in the process. Forward-thinking companies are turning to RPA in their droves due to the tremendous potential to not only increase efficiencies and at the same time reduce costs, but also for the opportunity to pursue strategic initiatives such as improving service levels and customer satisfaction, whilst facilitating almost limitless scalability and driving process assurances. For clients using SAP, AG are a natural partner to helping your automation journey with UiPath. Firstly, and this is not to be underestimated, we talk and understand business language. Secondly, we have a deep understanding of SAP. As mentioned, we're an SAP Gold partner. Thirdly, we are a fully certified UiPath partner with a team of some of the most experienced and capable specialists around today. One of the things that characterizes RPA initiatives is that solutions can often be developed quickly and at low cost, but they can have a huge impact. So this often means that making a strong business case can be an easy job. If you are looking at starting your automation journey, something that we found to be very successful with our clients is to first identify a use case that feels like it is a natural candidate for automation. This would usually be a task that is repetitive, time-consuming, and often painful for the users. Then we can help to develop a simple proof of concept or mini pilot to demonstrate and prove how that task can be automated. Then we play that back to your business community. You'll find that once people can see and understand how RPA can be applied, there'll be no shortage of ideas and potential use cases coming your way. Here at AG, we have a lot of experience helping clients to understand where automation can be applied and, importantly, where it is likely to be successful. So, if you're not sure where to start and need a friendly, helpful hand, get in touch. We'd be happy to help. Thank you for your time.